Maybe I was delusional, but yes. One person in this world that I thought I would always be special to isn't even talking to me.
Who that?
My daughter.
Daughter?
Yo, Agwan. Just want to get to know you better as a person, you see me? Because I rate your energy, I rate how you reason, you see it?
I'm glad they said that. Because most man like me for my bone leg and my big body.
I like that too. I love your energy more, yeah?
That good.
So you like me too. So tell me, you like about me?
You're real. You talk your mind. I'm like that. And you look like you want better yourself in a life.
Which is right. Future be bright.
Enough youth your age want easy money. I'm like an ambitious man.
Ambitious. One vicious.
One thing you make me laugh.
But yes, I make you laugh. Oh, you call me Joker?
So you prefer if I call you Batman?
No, don't call me Batman. We kill that man. You call me Joker.
I have a daughter with my husband. She's in college.
So how you never mentioned her before?
A part of it is embarrassment and feeling less than a mother. Her father poisoned her mind against me after we broke up.
You mean after you left him?
You find pleasure in making me feel bad, don't it?
No, but you have to face the truth. And the only way you have to genuinely change.
You're right. I left Charles because he wasn't pleasing me sexually. And I didn't feel special anymore. He told her I left him for another man. Painted me as a slut. And now my daughter won't even talk to me.
You try reach out to her?
Many times. But she's a daddy's girl. And now she hates mommy for hurting her dad. I was hoping to make enough money by working with Tony, just to buy her back. But that fell flat.
Take it from me. That no work. See, money can't make up for genuine time.
I realize that now.
So tell me, where you get her from, Tony?
Poisoned is it, man.
Hitman?
When me find out about him gun running operation, he did have somebody close to me already.
I watch you?
No. Close to me. Like intimately close.
Oh.
Yeah. I know my weakness now. I fall too easily.
I see. You know you need to fix that.
First step on the road to recovery is admission, right?
Yeah. An admission without action is like a boat on dry land.
I know. I need to make every effort.
You need to.
Truth is, after Charles, there's only one person I've really loved. But I wasn't getting the attention that I needed, so I strayed.
Nicey. It was good while it lasted, but right now, you just have to move on. Because you have a daughter where you need to win back. And at that you need to focus on.
Wise words from a wise man.
Me I come go up still now, cause me no want to on the road too late.
I want you to take care of yourself still, you know, sure. Thanks to pass through to you, isn't it? You never expect it.
Always expect the unexpected. And thanks for the shake again, here.
Yo, liquor man, we can help you.
One of them natural juice them they are on the counter.
Look on the board and choose which one you want.
Gravity.
Brother, you know your face, you know. Let me see you already.
Spanish town. They think I'm a phone scammer.
Yeah, man. That's what I see you. So, brother, how you coming like a chase back a man, so?
See, I'm so vicious, brother.